Hi everybody, my name is Robin Expert. I work for Airbus, a startup ecosystem manager and open innovation. Today I will show you how to access the base map during the Climaton duration. So the base map is a worldwide layer made by our highest grade satellites, and it's constantly refreshed with a refresh rate of 1 year. So to access the base map, you will have to go to this link, accessible through the webinar description. And then you will have to log in. So for that, you will have to use the login which is laid in the webinar description. Then after that, you will be automatically redirected to the main web page of the base map. So as you can see, it's a worldwide layer. So if you want to zoom, for example, let's say you want to zoom in Toulouse. So simply scroll with the mouse in Toulouse. And then let's say you want to go to see the capital. As you can see, the capital is here. Okay, we will zoom in a little bit more. Okay. So you can see on the bottom here, we have different images available on this area. So if you want, the first image is March 26, 2019. If you are not interested about these images, simply unselect it. And then the second image will appear. March 05, 2019, etc., etc. If you want, you can also choose a specific images, for example, 2017 here, and place it on the first position here. It will automatically appear. If you want more information about the images, you can click here on the information button. So on that, you will be able to see some image metadata with incidence angle, platform with our satellites, the acquisition date, and the source ID of the image. You can also open the images through GIS software, such as QGIS, for example. So for that, you will have to copy the WMTS or WMS link into your GIS software. So the base map is composed of 0.5 centimeters images on cities and 1.5 meters outside the cities. That's it for today. So if you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me at robin.expert@airbus.com. Good luck.